You unpack your groceries with the best of intentions, loading up your drawers with fresh, vibrant ingredients. But hidden away in the dark, those vegetables rapidly wrinkle and decay before you can even plan a meal around them. We tend to view this as a personal failure to cook fast enough, but the standard home pantry is actually a flawed structural system, built with mechanics that actively encourage food waste. Think about the packaging your food arrives in. Cardboard boxes and thin plastic wrappers are engineered exclusively for retail transport and eye-catching marketing. Once opened in your kitchen, they completely fail at long-term preservation. This structural flaw creates two massive points of friction. First is the financial drain of buying duplicate ingredients because originals are hidden in crumpled bags. Second is the environmental toll of tossing out a compounding mountain of torn, useless plastic. Halting this cycle involves a shift in how we structure the space, moving away from accidental storage toward a purposefully engineered ecosystem. The first obstacle to clear is the visibility problem. Opaque, differently sized original packaging completely obscures your inventory levels, making it impossible to know exactly what you have in stock. The initial infrastructural upgrade solves this by establishing a standard. Transitioning your dry goods out of the boxes and into clear, uniform, BPA-free containers immediately brings your entire inventory into plain sight. This animated diagram shows the chemical preservation benefit of that upgrade. By replacing torn packaging with a hermetic seal, a flexible gasket expanding against the container physically blocks incoming moisture, air particles, and pantry pests. Applying standardized, reusable labels to these clear containers establishes dedicated zones. In a multi-user kitchen, this instantly neutralizes confusion, ensuring everyone knows exactly where items belong. Then we hit the expiration trap found with canned and jarred goods. Static, flat shelving naturally pushes older stock toward the forgotten back of the cabinet every time you put a new grocery haul in the front. This 2D diagram introduces the logistical fix, a first in, first out, or FIFO flow. By loading new cylindrical cans from the top rear, gravity naturally forces the older, existing inventory to roll forward to the extraction point. Standardizing your containers and enforcing a FIFO flow transforms a passive, blind shelf into an active, self-regulating inventory system. Fresh produce presents a highly specific chemical challenge. Storing root vegetables, like potatoes and onions, in cramped, sealed environments traps gases and drastically accelerates decay. This diagram illustrates how swapping solid drawers for ventilated baskets alters the microclimate. Vector arrows show air freely passing through a wire mesh grid, actively dissipating the trapped ethylene gas away from the vegetables. The next major spatial flaw is the deep corner abyss. Small condiments, oils, and spices get shoved into these hard-to-reach angles and are permanently lost to the shadows. Rotational mechanics provide the perfect spatial hack to reclaim that square footage. A smooth, rapid spin of a Lazy Susan pulls a hidden row of spice bottles out of the dark background and directly into the foreground. Replacing a linear dig-and-search method with a single rotational axis maximizes accessibility in areas that were previously considered dead space. Optimizing environmental airflow for your produce and altering the spatial geometry of your corners successfully neutralizes the kitchen's built-in blind spots. With the internal mechanics of the kitchen running smoothly, we can expand this zero-waste logic outward to the initial procurement phase at the grocery store. Adopting reusable mesh bags for produce, bringing glass jars for bulk goods, preemptively stops disposable plastics from ever crossing your threshold. As visibility into your stock climbs to 100%, monthly grocery spend drops, reflecting savings from no longer buying duplicate ingredients. The environmental return follows a similar trajectory. By cutting retail packaging, the volume of pantry waste destined for landfills steadily declines over 12 months. The final state of the kitchen is a frictionless engine. Daily meal preparation speeds up because every ingredient is visible, accessible, and ready to use. A zero-waste pantry is a highly engineered, sustainable machine that respects your wallet and the planet. And it is a reality you can build for yourself, one smart container at a time.